have finance?
No, I don't. That's why.
He
She
was
helps
like
me.
for masquerading.
But he's not a lawyer.
Senator! Senator! Thanks, ma'am.
Veteran lawmakers seeking to return to the Senate. These are former Senate President Tito Soto and former Senator Panfilo Lacson. Senator Marcos was accompanied by her mother, former First Lady Imelda Marcos, and her sons Borgie and Michael Manotoc. Senator Marcos says she was able to discuss with the President her decision not to be allied with the administration's late Alianza ng Bagong Pilipinas, saying she would rather be able to cross party lines and gain the support of many. Marcos said the President respected her decision. Former Senate President Soto, meanwhile, was accompanied by wife Helen Gamboa and children Shara and Vice Mayor Gian Soto. He vowed to push for his advocacies should he be given the chance to return to the Senate, including the right sizing of government, a law outlawing fake news and deep fake, a law on 14th month pay, hybrid elections, and budget reform. Senator Lacson said he intends to keep his role as a so-called fiscalizer or a check to government, and that the President respected this when he was made part of the administration's slate. Lacson also promising he will still not avail of the pork barrel should he serve as senator again, and will continue to be a watchdog of the national budget, at the same time support the President's programs that will benefit the people. Senator Lapid also saying he intends to work on his key advocacies, including the expansion of free legal assistance for the poor. Among the party list groups that filed papers this morning were ang Comadrona, United Senior Citizens, and just now the Magdalo party list. Back to you, Casey.